let me show you the result that you will see once you get it. Once you enter the app, this is how it will look. Guys, look at this. And boom, as you can see, all that coins and all that cash is just loading into my Township app. If you want to get it as well and get this result, what you need to do is just follow my steps right now. So let's start with the process. Guys, I hope you loved what you just saw. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get this Township hack that allows you to get all of those free coins and free cash. If you want to get this Township hack that allows you to get all that free money and free coins, you are in the right spot. Now guys, I have been browsing on the internet trying to find a way on how I can get this on my phone, and I just did. So I said, why not share it with you, and I'm here. So this is a super simple and super easy process, and I'm ready to show you each and every step, and I hope that you're ready to follow them. Let's start. Okay guys, what you need to do to get this Township hack is first go to your App Store or Google Play Store and check if your app needs any updates. If it does, then make sure you update your app before you start. If it doesn't, then you are good to go. Now guys, the next thing that we'll be doing is heading over to our settings app. Then once we're there, what we'll do is go to our general option, then go to background app refresh, then again click on it, and then go and check off Wi-Fi and cellular data. This is how your settings should look like once you're there. And once actually you're done with that, make sure you also don't have your low power mode switched on, because if you switch it off and if you see that your background app refresh option is disabled, it is because of this. Low power mode, when it's switched on, it disables the background app refresh option. So make sure it looks like this. Now guys, the next thing that you need to do as an Android user is, of course, disable your battery saver mode and keep it disabled until you're done with the whole process. Now what we'll do next is go to our browser, and you can, trust me, use any one you'd like. I'm going to use this one right here, and let's go to the website you see right there. This is the website that we are going to visit to get to the Township hack, which is right here. And once we get to it, what we need to do is click on it, then type in your username that you're using within the game, then tap on the platform you're using. So for me, it's iOS device. Type in the amount that you want to get. And then once you're done with all these steps, is tap on continue. Once you're done tapping on continue, it says connecting to your Township servers, finding your username, and then inputting the amount that we wanted. Guys, it's as easy as that. And all you need to do is just follow the steps that I've showed you right now. In some cases, like for me, it happened maybe one time that I was asked to complete some type of verification process. So don't get scared if you see that. Just follow each and every step that you see on the screen. This is what I did as well. So once you are done following each and every step, what you need to do is just enjoy Township right now without being limited to anything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will be seeing you in my next video. Cheers!